And I think to myself, what the fuck?
Every night in my dreams I see
You didn't have to cut me off like that. I could never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love. Treat me like a stranger and I feel so loved.
Guys, it's actually that easy. I will show you. 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 Alexa, play Get Low by Lil Jon.
Get Low by Lil Jon and the East Side Boys from Spotify.
You ever look at your person and think to yourself, wow, how did I land you? You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life, and I'm so grateful for you.
You're looking for me. I'm with all the grown men in the corn.
Oh, stranger. Still don't know my name.
I was busy thinking about
Hi, my name is Josie and this is me before the race.
Grab some water. Oh, stay up. Up. There you go. There you go.
My name is Faith. This is me before the race.
Stay up. Stay up.
Hi, my name is Corey. This is me before the race. Hi, my name is Corey. This is me at the end of my speech. Hi, my name is Emily, and this is me before the race.
Coming.
Hi, my name is Tiana, and this is me before my race.
I count money, I count money, I count money. I swear in a hungry. That's what crazy I did. That's what crazy I did. That's what crazy I did it.
For your own safety, please keep this gate closed. Okay.
I will win. Just watch.
The Secret Snarl by Abigail. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily, and she always had wanted a snarl. But one day that changed. One day, Lily went outside to play, and she found a snarl. So she went inside to make it a home. Wow. When she got inside, she decided to name the snarl Fred. She really loved the snarl a lot. Bye, geez!
Don't go wasting your emotions. Lay all your love on me.
I'm in heaven now. So sorry I died. I miss you so much.
I saw a comment that said if you're falling forwards, just lean back. So my intrusive brain wanted to try it.
Whoa, it looks smoky, but I was literally about to talk about this candle. The fact that it never fucking goes out. Just burn my lip.
Oh. Girl, take the potatoes. Oh, I thought you was toasting the plate.
I was busy thinking about
Every fucking does seems no more. Suddenly, I open up the gate.
can hold my hand if you want to, 'cause I wanna hold yours too.
Oh man, that shit not working. But that's okay.
I had no idea it'd be so hard trying to cut the avocado. And then I see this thing in the middle, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to keep that or toss them.
Check my eggs to see how they're doing, and the plastic is burning. It's still raw on the inside. Oh, dude, the egg, oh man, it's all broke.
I'm gonna finely chop these. I've never used a knife like
Christina,
this.
take the knife guard off. There's the knife underneath
I
that.
was wondering why I put there was no...
Surprise.